if you've got money in the market and you don't take 100% personal responsibility for your retirement plan, for your money, you're a fool. Let me explain what I mean by that. First of all, if you hearing me say that you need to take personal responsibility for something bothers you, good. People need to be woken up. Been lied to forever by the government, been lied to by Wall Street, been lied to by the banks, all the while giving them all your money. Think about it. Wall Street makes money on you, and the 100% risk is on you. They transfer their risk to you. The government does the same exact thing. 401ks, they both want you in those. Why? Government. Compounding your taxation. You'll pay 4 to 7 times taxes in the future on what you're saving right now. Wall Street. They not only get your money to invest, they get the government's money too. More assets under management, more money they make. Again, zero risk to them. They don't pay anything out. They don't lose money. It is your money. And it is the same thing with the bank. It is your money. They don't lose money. Wake up. You don't have to be duped because everybody else is doing the same thing. Well, everybody else is failing too. Listen, as of this morning, we were $164 trillion in unpaid liabilities for the U.S. government. USDebtClock.org. Check it out yourself. You should do that. I'll include the link below. $164 trillion. That's Medicare and Social Security. Those are things that cannot be printed away. They have to be paid out of taxpayer dollars every single year. So, that much money, what do you think taxes are going to do in 10, 15, 20, 30 years, depending where you're at in your retirement journey? Whether you're just starting out, which if you're just starting out, get money in now into something. Okay? Something. Be smart, be wise. Talk to a professional. Don't go about yourself. Don't listen to these pundits that have been lying to you and continue to perpetuate the lie. Take control of your personal responsibility for your money. It's your future, right? It's your retirement. It's not the federal government's. Why would you give them 30, 40, 50% of your future money? You're not doing that now. Why would you do it when you can't make any more money? You never thought about that? Government-sponsored, tax-deferred retirement plans. Tax-deferred. That doesn't mean that you're not paying taxes. It means you're deferring paying on those taxes for this year, the next year, the next year after that, the next year after that for 30, 40 years. What do you think happens to compounding interest over that 30, 40-year window? You think it gets smaller? Are you believing the lie that you're going to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement? No mortgage, no kids, only stuck with standard deductions. It's only about $28,000 for husband and wife right now. Your Social Security can be taxed up to 85%. Is your broker telling you that? Is your broker preparing you to have an income for life no matter what happens to the markets, no matter what happens to your health? Is your broker assisting you with those unfunded future healthcare costs that are coming for 80% of us from a long-term care perspective? Are you prepared? Do you know with 100% certainty when the money comes in, how much can never go away, how much is at risk? If you don't know those answers, you owe it to yourself. That's your personal responsibility for today. Go get those answers. Go sit down with professionals, plural. Not just telling the same story. Oh, I'm going to get you 8%. I'm going to time the market. Great. What happens to my taxation? What? I don't know. Do you want a mutual fund or an ETF? Why would you listen to that advice? It's not advice. It's a sale. Your broker works for a company. That company has a board of directors. That board of directors that company has a CEO. Guess who the fiduciary duty the CEO has at Edward Jones, at Smith Barney, at Raymond James, at Fidelity. You think that's you? I'll let you sit with that answer. If you need me, click a link below. I'm more than happy to have a 15-minute conversation with you and see where you're at. Help introduce you to the right person for you. Could be me. Maybe not. I'm okay with both. You should be as well. Understand though, anytime that you have a financial transaction, someone makes money. You should be 100% transparent with every advisor that you work with. How much they're making, how much you're making, how much they're making off of you negatively affects you. Because again, whose retirement is it anyways? Listen, these are just more words from the trail. I hope you hear them. I hope you learn. I hope you gather wisdom. I hope you talk to a lot of people. I hope you run the numbers. I hope you find out what your own math was. And truthfully, that you take personal responsibility for your financial house. Now, tomorrow, into eternity. That's important as well. God bless. I love you. Have a great day.